Boom! Boom! This is a gel cold pack for your knee. If you guys work out, you know that injuries is part of your way to success. But when you get injured, you need an ice pack like this. This is a gel cold ice pack for your knee, for your elbow. Let's unbox this right now. Boom! REVIX! Boom! 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 Oh, inside with the care instruction. Oh yeah! It also comes with a little bag right here. Boom! Check it out. Boom! This bag right here, this is where you place your pack right here when you freeze it up. Boom! Here's the ice pack. Whoa! On the inside, look at that plush material. Very plush material on the inside. Outside, you have durable nylon material that's easy to clean right here. Or you can feel like gel inside. You have the soft inside material right here. Now I'm going to show you guys on my knee right here. You just wrap this around like this. And you go all the way around. You get Velcro on this side. Pull the Velcro and you can cinch up however tight you want. Same thing on the top right here. Wrap this around. You see right here? Wrap it around and you get the Velcro right here and cinch up. That's solid. That provides very good cold compression for your knee or your elbow, works on your elbow as well. And when you're done, you can reuse this by putting it into the freezer. Super easy. And this is a really good material because you have the nice plush material inside right here. So guys, there we go. This is a REVIX gel cold pack for your knee or your elbow. This is great because right here, you have some nice plush material that wicks away the water. It's very comforting and prevents frostbite. This side, very smooth and easy, clean material. The straps are built in so you don't have to worry about them moving around, getting lost. Nice strong Velcro strap, and this is reusable. Again, this is perfect for up to 20 minutes of cold compression relief. Oh yeah!